Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve the next question, number 24, NEET Physics paper 2014. Students, let us solve this question, number 24. A conducting sphere of radius r is given a charge q. This is a conducting sphere of radius r given a charge q. And we know that when the charge is given to the conducting sphere, the charge will appear on the surface. The charge will get uniformly distributed over the outer surface and no charge is present inside. So there is no charge present in the interior part of the sphere, only on the surface the charges will appear. There is no charge inside. That is clear. So because the charge is q, it's not given as plus q or minus q, I will take plus q, otherwise it doesn't affect the question. The electric potential and the electric field at the center of the sphere. At the center of the sphere, what is asked is to find the potential here at this point. Suppose the center is O, you have to find the potential at O and the electric field at O. These are the situations and you have to find. If this is a very general question, that let us first find the electric field. The electric field can be found using Gaussian theorem. The Gauss theorem says that if I want electric field over here, we know that electric field is 0 inside the charge conducting sphere, but still if I want this here, this is the point at the center. If I take any interior point, suppose at any point P here, P, any interior point, for any interior point P, if I consider this as the Gaussian surface, which itself is a sphere of smaller radius, suppose r, then we have the flux is q, the net flux through this is q enclosed divided by epsilon naught. This is the Gauss theorem. So this flux is nothing but the EDS integration dot product and q enclosed divided by epsilon naught. We know that if there exists electric field, it has to be constant. If there exists, it has to be constant. So this E comes out for any small area under consideration ds. The area vector is pointing out, and if there exists any electric field, that also will be out. Then this is taken out and this area is divided here. But the fact is that to find E, this value is to be put here, and this is the charge enclosed. And how much charge is present within the Gaussian surface? And the answer is 0. because all the charges are residing on the surfaces, so there is no charge within the Gaussian surface. So within the Gaussian surface, this value will be 0, and 0 upon whatever you do, that is 0. So therefore E ultimately comes out to be 0. So inside it should be 0. If inside it is 0, then electric field is 0 inside. The second part of the question is the second option should be 0. So for this we have zeros here and here. So this cannot be answered. Out of these two zeros, both are 0. I have to check this one. We know that the electric field is dV over dx. Obviously negative of that, dV over dr or dV over dx. So I can also write that it is dV over dr, negative. So if this is 0, means this has to be constant. If this is constant, then d by dr of any constant is 0. So if this is 0, then V has to be constant. So first of all, this V naught has to be constant at inside point, and that must be equal to the potential on the surface. Whatever is the potential here, the same potential will be at any point inside the solid conducting sphere. So therefore I would say that this is constant, and that equals to kq by r. Potential on the surface is kq divided by r, where k is the charge given, k is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. So this is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q over r. This is for surface. And potential at any point inside, for inside point, it will remain the same, 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught q over r. So for center, the center, it will also be q over 4 pi epsilon naught r. So potential at the center is this, and electric field is at the center is 0. If I see the option, q over 4 pi epsilon r and 0, so therefore this is the answer to this question. Okay, so for any interior point, if unless it is non-conducting, the electric field is always 0, because the electric field cannot exist within the conductor. So in a conducting sphere, it is not possible. Electric field is 0 inside. So that is the answer in case of electrostatics. In electricity, it does exist. Okay, so this is the answer to this question. Thank you.